Hello everyone, here I am with a new channel and I'm here to teach you mathematics. As you can see over here, this is my very first video and I have come with a motto of clearing your basic concepts of mathematics. So here we go with the very first topic of today's class, and that is number system. We know that the collection of numbers is actually the number system. In previous classes, we have learnt that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they are called counting numbers. There may be positive numbers which we call the positive numbers, and there can be negative numbers as well. These are actually the positive numbers, and if we talk about -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, they will be called as the negative numbers. And these will be actually called as the positive numbers. So now we classify the number system. The very first type of number is natural numbers. Now, why the term natural has come? Because these numbers are actually gift of our nature. Mother Nature has given us those numbers which we call them as natural numbers. Like if we take the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are actually counting numbers. We can call these as the counting numbers. Also, we can tell that these are the numbers which we have got from Mother Nature. That's why they are called natural numbers. You may have a question that why not 0 is written in front of 1? 0 cannot be used for designating any number. Yes, we cannot say 0 number of flowers or 0 number of benches or 0 number of children. But we can say 1 children, 1 bench, 1 chair. Henceforth, it cannot be a gift of nature. So henceforth, 0 cannot be named as a term of natural numbers. Another thing is that natural number is actually denoted by the letter N. We write this in the set formation as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Number 2 we come to as whole numbers. Now what are whole numbers? When we add 0 to the set of natural numbers, we call them as whole numbers. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8 up to infinity. So henceforth, whole numbers is actually denoted by the letter W. We write this as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, So we have learnt about actually 2 types of numbers till now, natural numbers and whole numbers. Next we come to the next set of numbers, that is called, so here we are rubbing this part. The third type of number, which is called as the integers. Now what are integers? Integers are actually such a set of numbers which will be having the negative numbers, the positive numbers as well as 0. Like if I'm tallying and if I'm making all these numbers at one place, what we will get? Here this side we can get -3, -2, -1, 0. This side 1, 2, 3, comma, dot, dot, dot. This side also comma, dot, dot, dot. Here they are called the integers. The negative, they are called the negative integers. Negative integers. Here they are called the positive integers, and here they are called, this is actually, as we know, it is 0. So integers actually are comprised of negative numbers, positive numbers, as well as 0. Why 0 has been added over here? Because until and unless 0 is not there, we know that in number line we can easily denote, or we can easily find out the position of any counting number until and unless 0 is there in that number line. So henceforth 0 should always be there, like 4, 5, 6, in this way up to infinity it will go. As well as this side -1, -2, -3, -4, this side also up to infinity it will go. Until and unless 0 is not there, we cannot find out position of any number. Like if I say indicate the position of -3 on the number line, you can easily say that from 0, if we move this way, we'll get -3. So henceforth 0 is very essential, as because both the sets of numbers are present in this type. So here we go, integer is actually denoted as z, and that is equals to, you can write this set as ... comma -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, comma ... Clear? Now we come to the next set of numbers, and that is called rational numbers. That is called rational numbers. Now what are rational numbers? It's actually an interesting concept, and this type of numbers you will be requiring for your higher mathematics as well. What are rational numbers? Now rational numbers are such type of numbers which can be expressed in the form of p by q. What do you mean by p by q? P by q means it will be in this fractional form, where p and q, they both has to be integers. P and q both has to be integers. The denominator q should not be 0, because if denominator of any fraction is equals to 0, that particular number will go undefined. Henceforth q can never be equal to 0. Also p and q will be belonging to z, and GCD of p comma q will be 1. What is GCD of p comma q? That means the highest common factor of both the numbers p and q will be equals to 1. As for example, if I say, before that, let me tell you that rational numbers are actually denoted by the letter q, and that is equals to, if you sum up, it will be in this way: p by q, comma q not equals to 0, p comma q belongs to z, and GCD of p comma q will be equals to 1.